tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a logo to a photo or image or document, whatever it is that you want to add it to. So what's really important when you add a logo to a photo is that it is a transparent file. I'm going to include links to a couple other tutorial videos, including how to make your logo transparent and how to make your logo into a brush. Those will be very helpful when doing something like this, especially if you're placing your logo on multiple images. You'll want to create it into a brush. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. One is going to be to actually just place the transparent file right on the photo. So to do that, you're going to go to File, Place Embedded. You're going to find where your logo is, wherever you have it saved. And here is my transparent one, and actually I'm going to do my white transparent. And the transform tool, which is this bounding blue box around it, automatically comes up. So from here I'm going to resize that to the size I want. And then I can move it around and place it wherever I want. I think it's important that your logo isn't super overwhelming in an image, especially for photographers. So wherever you choose to place it, if I had just a single person here, a lot of times I will put the logo right by them, small, so that it kind of draws attention to it, but not too much away from the person. But on a photo like this, I usually try to put it in the corner somewhere. Another thing you can do, so once I get it placed, hit enter, is you can lower the opacity. So if you don't want it to be that kind of stark white, or if you were doing black or whatever color, you can lower the opacity so it's not super bright. So let's do about 50 there. So that's one way, and then you would just save that file. The other way is to make your logo a brush, which, like I said, I have linked that tutorial on the blog post that shows how to make a logo into a brush. So let me delete this out. And right now you can see when I go to my brushes, one of them that I can select here is my Urban Rhino Photography logo. So the nice thing about that is when I select that brush, now I can put it anywhere I want. I can adjust the size with my bracket keys. I can pick whatever color I want. So if I wanted that crazy blue, I could do that. I can change the opacity up here. So again, if I wanted to do about 50%, and if I want to do white, or let's say this time I want to do black, and put it down here, I'm going to make it smaller. And I can put it right there. Let me up the opacity. Okay, so it's a much faster way than, especially if you are putting a logo on many images, you would definitely want to create a brush so that you can go through on multiple pictures and place that on there. So let me pull up white, and if I wanted to put this one here and I want it to be a little lighter, I can place it there, here, let's say up here. Okay, so you can see how much quicker it is when you have it created as a brush. So again, check out those other tutorials that I have linked. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.